together. My name is Rishikesh. Today we are going to make slime. Gooey, isn't it? So, you need to learn how to make a slime. For the slime, we need measuring cup, gum, borax, water, and a spatula. First, we need to make slime activator. For that, we need borax and warm water. This is 100 ml of warm water. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of borax. Mix till this is dissolved. Now our slime activator is ready. Now we need 20 ml of gum. Now this is 20 ml of glue. Now we are going to pour this into the bowl. We are going to add 40 ml of water. We are going to pour 40 ml of water into 20 ml of glue. Mix it for 30 seconds and wait for 50 minutes. I have 3 colors. Which slime you want? Red or green or blue? So which color slime do you want? Green or blue or red? Click on your favorite color.